Hey guys, James here, back with another video. Now I did say that I wasn't actually going to do a video unboxing of this Core i7-7700K, and the reason I decided to do this video is because I wanted to make a clear point. This does not come with a cooler, so if you open it up, that's all you get. You get the book, installation instructions, 3-year limited warranty, and you get the Intel Inside logo, right? And you just get the processor. That's it. There's nothing else. There's nothing else inside this. So just be mindful and be wary that there is no cooler. Now I already hear the comments. Why would you buy a CPU that is unlocked if you weren't gonna get a water cooler to make sure the temperature stayed down? Now I understand that. If you, for example, got the K but you didn't want to overclock it, or you just didn't have the funds to get the cooler yet, then you're not going to have something to use. So just be mindful of that, when you go ahead and purchase this, because I didn't know. Luckily, I have the Corsair H115i that I'll be using to water cool this, but I thought it was a stock standard that all CPUs come with fan coolers, unless it specifically said no fan cooler. So I was a bit surprised that there's no fan cooler. I mean, I'm never going to use it. I'm not saying that I wanted one. I was just surprised, So just be aware of that if you're going to buy this 7700K. Now, I'm not sure if that's the same with all the K series, but just be mindful. So yeah, hope you like this video. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments, or leave a comment that if you knew that they didn't have that, or if you think they should include that. Let me know below, and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. And I will see you guys in the next one.